This protocol captures a representative daily routine of individuals with upper limb impairments using wearable cameras or egocentric videos. Its purpose is to evaluate hand use at home for rehabilitation applications. The measured hand use can help to evaluate the impact of new therapies in the home environment. The protocol is designed to efficiently capture data representative of the user's daily life. The information obtained using this protocol can be used to evaluate the impact of rehabilitation, track progress over time, or guide remote care. Good communication with participants is essential. Ensure that they understand the importance of not changing their usual routine or the manner in which they perform tasks.
Begin by asking the participant whether their affected hands impact their ability to carry out activities of daily living, or ADLs. Ask the participant to give some examples of tasks that they can and cannot perform independently with their affected hands. Ask participants to recall their daily routines over the past 2 weeks. Document which daily tasks are performed, for how long, and at approximately what time. In collaboration with the participant, select 3 time slots of 90 minutes each during which to record videos. Select time slots that are spread over different days of the week and take place when ADLs involving the hands are typically carried out in sequence. Obtain agreement of the participant on the recording schedules after discussing any concerns that they may have. Set a goal of 3 hours.